Wow, Infinix just blows my mind every time they announce products like this. Oh, you don't know what I mean? Well, Infinix is working on a new concept phone and I'll be telling you everything about it in this video. So why not just subscribe because you're interested in videos like this. Okay guys, let's get started. The Infinix concept phone has a 4000 mAh battery that can be charged from 0 to 100% in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. This device can be charged from 0 to 100% in 10 minutes or 12 minutes at most, due to the fact that it has a 160 watts fast charger and the battery is an 8C battery, which enables it to consume that amount of charge without overheating. And speaking of overheating, this device has 20 temperature sensors in which enables this device to detect the temperature of this device, and it enables it to stay below 40 degrees Celsius, which is nice. Am I the only one who think this is amazing? Now, I'm not a big fan of super fast charging like this just because of the battery health in the long run, but I still think this is an amazing feat in technology. I mean, charging from 0 to 100% is no easy task, and I'm really happy that a company like Infinix is one of the first, or the first person to do something like that. I mean, if this comes out to consumer grade devices, just take for example, you don't even charge overnight and you are going for an appointment and you have maybe like 5 minutes before the appointment starts, you can just plug your device and it should get to around 50, 58 or 60% in that 5 minutes. And even if you have more time to spare, that like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you can charge your device up to 100% and just go to where you're going. And I think this will be really beneficial to a lot of people. I can't wait for this to for this technology to get inside consumer tech products. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on this speed in the comment section below. The charger is made out of gallium nitride, which enables it to reach those extreme speeds at that size. Oh, and you also get a 50 watts wireless charging on this device, which is really nice. Although Infinix is not going to be the first to make fast wireless charging like this, but 50 watts wireless charging is okay. On the back of this device, you get this design that glows while the device charges. What do you think of this feature? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I personally think it's cool, but I want to know your own thoughts in the comment section below. Now, this video is basically dedicated to the battery, but I'll also be giving you the quick specs and I'll be listing them as follows. It has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display running at 90Hz. It runs on a MediaTek Helio G95 processor, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, 32MP selfie camera, 64MP main, 8MP ultra wide and 8MP telephoto cameras at the rear, under display fingerprint scanner, and it runs Android 11. And that's basically it for the Infinix concept phone 2021. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know if you could see yourself using this device. Like, if you can see yourself using this device, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in my next video. Peace.